Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve worksheet 42 of subject English for class 6. Here you need to write your name down, here your class teacher's name down. Today's date is 13 December 2021 and lesson is fair play. So today's fun fact is, do you know, in a village elderly and wise people are chosen by the local community to settle fights between individuals and villages. This assembly of 5 elders is known as Panchayat. The leader of the Panchayat is the Mukhya or the Sarpanch. Okay. So, whenever there are disputes between two people in a village, elderly and wise people were selected by communities and they were known as Panchayat. That 5 people joined together were known as Panchayat and head of that was a Sarpanch. So, first let us do a recap of our previous worksheet. First question is, match the phrases in column A with the phrases in column B to frame complete sentences. Here is column A, here is column B. In column A we have Jumman and Algu, Jumman's old aunt. After a couple of years, Jumman's wife grudged even about and Jumman's aunt swallowed. In column B we have transferred her property to Jumman, were good friends, the little food that the old lady ate every day, the food with insults for a few months. Jumman and his family were tired of the old aunt. So, first we have Jumman and Algu, that will be matched with were good friends. Jumman's old aunts transferred her property to Jumman. After a couple of years, Jumman and his family were tired of his old aunt. Jumman's wife grudged even about the little food that the old lady ate every day. Jumman's aunt swallowed the food with the insults for a few months. Next, here we have read what happens next in the story. So we continue reading. So we have, one day she spoke to Jumman, my son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient, said Jumman shamelessly. This made his aunt very angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. Now what happens is, one day she speaks to Jumman and Jumman says that she says to Jumman that my son, she now knows that Jumman and his wife are tired of her, so she asks her for some money, that is monthly allowance, to set up a separate kitchen. But Jumman shamelessly says that his wife knows how to run the house and you be patient. So basically he is not wanting the aunt to open her new kitchen, and this made his aunt very angry. So she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. Okay, we have already studied what is a village panchayat. So for many days the old lady was seen talking to the villagers, explaining her case and seeking their support. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and a few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. At last she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. You know, Chachi, Jumman is my best friend. How can I go against him? Algu said, But is it right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair? Pleaded the old lady. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth, she said. Algu did not reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. So what this is that after many days she told the villagers, explaining her case, and some of them sympathized her and some laughed at her, and few others also advised her to stay and make it up with his nephew and his wife. Then she last came to Algu Chaudhary. She said that, you know, Chachi, Jumman is my best friend. How can I go against him? This was said by Algu Chaudhary. So he is the act of friendship, so he is just like a best friend to Jumman. But aunt says that, is it right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair? So she is saying that, is it right to shut your mouth and don't speak anything if the thing is right but it is not happening. So pleaded the old lady and said, come to the panchayat and speak the truth. But Algu did not reply to that at all. But the words said by the old lady kept ringing in his ears. Okay, so now we have question number 2. On the basis of your reading, choose the correct word meanings from the help box and write them in space provided. So what we have to do is, here we are having some words. Here we are having a box with meanings of those words. So we have to choose the correct meaning. So in the box we are having to feel sorry for someone, to not feeling bad about doing something bad, an amount of money to stay calm. So allowance is an amount of money. Patient, to stay calm shamelessly, not feeling bad for doing something bad, and sympathizes, to feel sorry for someone. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourself.